Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Only. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to create Kindle account. For that, firstly you need to install your Kindle application from the Play Store or the App Store that is available on your device. After you have installed the application, you need to head over the Kindle application. Once you open the Kindle app, you will reach on the home page of the Kindle. So on the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see the library button. Simply tap on library. So to create your Kindle application, first you need to tap on sign in. There is the option of create a new Amazon account. So tap on create a new Amazon account. So now you have reached to the another page that says create account. So to create your Amazon account, you need to enter the first and last name. Once you have entered the first and last name, you need to enter your email address. Now you need to create a password. Once you are done with filling the credential on this page, you need to tap on create your Amazon account. And now check whether your account has been created or not. So here on the more section, you can easily check that your account has already been created. So in this way, you can easily create your Kindle application. I hope this video was useful for you. If this video was useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell to get the latest uploads on our channel. Thank you.